Okay everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make a basic shape of a futuristic house with multi-level story. Okay, first of all you have to make a rectangle right here with any size as you want, as professional as possible as a house dimension anyway. Maybe it's around 12,000 and 10,000 millimeter or 12 meter and 10 meter millimeter. And then you have to push it up and make it group and just feel free for making a basic house. Anyway, I would like to share to you about how to make a basic step to make a futuristic house. Just feel free about it. Anyway, just feel free about it. Okay, from this plane you can make this plane, you can set a width anyway as proportional as possible. Then you can move it to the upside. You can move to the upside around maybe 3500 millimeter. Okay, and then you can or you can make it lower than before with 500 or lower than before, and then you can move and press control and go to the bring it to the upside. Then you can set the value of the distance vertically around 3500 millimeter, and then you can move it to the back side anyway. Then you can using duplicate, you can using a scale or push. It's just the same way to complete it. You can select control to duplicate it, then you can adjust it again, and you can adjust it, and then you can make just simple wall right to another side of this house. Maybe you can make the wall in here, and then you can complete it. Just make it group, and then you can make the wall in everywhere you want. Anyway, you can make the wall in everywhere you want, maybe something like this, and then you can push it up. You can make it group anyway. You can okay, and then you can move it. Okay, anyway, you can adjust the scale of the wall. Anyway, then you can scale it down by easily. Just feel free to adjust. Just feel free to move. Just feel free to adjust all over the basic shape of the house. Anyway, just feel free to make a wall so you can get the nice exploration about the house. Anyway, you can get the better exploration anyway from the basic shape. You can fill it with the maybe you can anyway you can fill it with the rectangle anyway, something like this. You can fill it with a rectangle. I'm sorry, it's getting complicated. Maybe you can fill it with a rectangle, then you can push it down, and then you can make it group, and of course you can make a pull with a arc, with this arc, and you can adjust the pull design as you want anyway, something like this. You can adjust the pull design with your desire. Anyway, you can adjust the curve anyway. Maybe something like this. Then and you can make this small pull right here. Okay, and then you can make the floor of the pool deck. You can make a floor of the pool deck by using this material maybe. So you can just select water, water material. Okay, so you can just select the water material, so it will look like more representative of basic shape of the house anyway. So you can make a small rectangle anyway in this area, and then you can I'm sorry you can make a rectangle, just simple rectangle, and then you can push it to the another side, and then you can assign a material with a glass material, and then you can adjust it color wheel to select the color, and then you can add the column in this area. So just feel free to make a basic house design in this software anyway. Then you can add the glass right here, then make it group and just set the same material as before, and or you can adjust this as logic as possible maybe. Okay, then you can make another glass material again right here, maybe just like here in this I'm sorry in this position. Maybe you can adjust it in this position. just feel free for your exploration. So because this SketchUp is allow you to make a great exploration with another tools in here anyway, and then you can adjust the material. Maybe you can select this material, or you can adjust with this material, and then you can adjust color of the material, darkness or brightness of the material, and then you can and also you can set the rooftop right here for you can set the rooftop just for exploration anyway, because you can make it the detail, because you have done to make a basic concept of the house anyway. So you have to explore more with the tool in SketchUp to make a great exploration. So it will be improve your design to make design of the great house. So I will teach to you to make a great exploration to make the design of the house anyway. Then you can make another landscape right here. Maybe you can make this to be a landscape area. Then you can set the landscaping to add material. So just imagine as great as you want. Just imagine as great as you want with this SketchUp. By using a simple tool, but it will be create the great design on you anyway. So just follow the step that I shared to you with this video, and I hope all of you can make a great design with this just simple tool anyway. Okay, anyway you can adjust this. Okay, and then don't forget to make another landscape element right here, or everywhere you want. Just make a landscape on everywhere you want anyway. Maybe you can add landscape on the everywhere you want, something like this. You can set the landscaping in this area, and then you can make a component. You can use a component with this option. You can select the component, just select the tree, then duplicate it as you want, and then just adjust the color. Anyway, you can adjust the color with the green color or more dark color than before. Okay, and then you can add the person on the component anyway. You can add the silhouette person to make it more clear enough. Okay, I think it's enough for basic shape of the house. You have to explore it again, because before you make a great design, you have to make a great basic design for the first. Without you making a basic design, you have no able to make a detail of the house itself. So I very suggest you to make uh, just great basic basic design for the first. Anyway, okay, for more explore, you can follow, you can watch for my next video on a previous video. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you can learn a lot from uh, this video, and wait for my next basic concept of the house video. Thank you.